Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're here with Matt, and this is the second episode of making this EXT run again. So I reckon we should give her the old power washer, clean her up a little bit, and then I'd say probably take the carbs out, drain the gas out of everything, you know, spruce her up a little under the hood. Give her a detailing and see how she goes from there, I guess. That's probably what we'll do in this episode. But I guess we'll get to power washing. I gotta fire up this power washer. But it's very temperamental. You gotta turn the gas on only like a millimeter, or else it'll have a meltdown. Probably no gas in it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
I got a little bit of gas in it.
Use some of that watered down race fuel back there. Oh, oh yeah. Oh.
Opened up. Some of this is just really gonna have to be wiped down, obviously, but all right, there's a
Gotta fix that.
oh yeah, is that a coolant sensor
Yeah.
or the engine temperature sensor or something like that?
That's one of them.
Yep. So there's that. So I guess the next plan of action, what do you think? Should we drain the gas?
Yeah, I'd probably drain the gas first.
Yeah.
Then we pull the carbs out and give them a good clean.
Mm-hmm.
And then maybe put some blaster in the cylinders because it was pretty locked up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it wasn't locked up. It was rough.
Not much.
I thought you turned it off when you...
No, I turned it
Summer.
on when we were trying to start it in the last video, but...
Oh. I thought you summarized it last we wrote it. Because remember, I almost fell off the back of the damn thing? It's pulling gas through.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's pulling gas through.
I just think it's just been sitting too long. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna want to go.
It's pulling a lot of gas through. Who knows what's at the bottom of those carbs, though.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we gotta run to Matt's house real quick, grab a few things, so we'll pick back up when we get back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are taking the coils and everything off. We'll probably pull the plugs here and just gonna start cleaning her up a little bit, I reckon. Alright guys, I was trying to make a time lapse and then my camera died, so I'll just figure that out for the next video. So I'll just keep doing updates for this one. So we pulled the plugs, everything looks good. Just threw some seafoam in the cylinders just because I was gonna, you know, put some of this in there, but it's empty and I don't have I don't have any kerosene or anything, so I just threw some seafoam because I had some in there. I mean, why not, I guess. So we're gonna work on getting this tank off, drain all the fuel out of it, and go from there. Alright, Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I don't even know what you'd classify this as. I just classified as the lower dash. And we're working on the oil reservoir. We got most of the lines just connected. I just got to get that one down there for the oil injector. And pull this baby off. I'll probably clean that bad boy up. We'll probably get to the gas tank in another video because I'm trying to keep these ones short. Also because I didn't really give myself much time to film today, so I'll make a longer video tomorrow. But probably get the oil injector off. Tomorrow I'll probably pull the carbs off as well. We already got them loose, so
yeah, we got critters
ready
too.
to come out. We found some mouse infestation, so get all that out of there. Probably some dead ones in there.
No, there's a lot of shit though.
That smells bad though. That's a nice pungent ammonia smell. So we definitely have critters, but she's on her way. So yeah, I'll get this off real quick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the old oil reservoir out, plugged it up so we didn't piss oil all over the engine bay. Real quick there, we made it real quick. But got that out. Then we gotta get the air box off, but we'll probably do that tomorrow because it's kind of getting dark.
It's not summer anymore.
So I guess that'll just be this video. So I mean, we cleaned, kind of just gave it a rinse off. We gotta really get in there and start tearing into it. But so I'll probably tomorrow try to get the carbs off, try to get the gas tank off, get the air box off, get all that cleaned up, and go from there. What do you think, Big Matt?
Sounds good to me, man.
Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. So subscribe for more.